This is the second new one and the mounting kit. The papers, I saw them before, but I actually need the sticker. So the battery is there. I want to use the sticker to place it on top here, so it's in English. Okay, so where is it? This one, English version. Aligning carefully. Batteries here. I will install them. I will install the mounting plates first. The mounting plates first, they need to be installed. Same with the old one. So I have one set of screws, two sets of screws, three. So I have all the screws and everything ready to install on the wall. I will install a new one in the bedroom just to make sure that everything is really nice and fresh, and two in the living room in different areas. Let's go. I'll use this on the drill bit so I don't make too much mess. I'll put the drill bit through there and keep it on the ceiling like that. And I'm hoping to install it somewhere in this area, not too close to the aircon. That's the light. I want it to be close to the door, so in case there is any smoke coming from the door, it will beep, but not too close to the aircon. Okay, so this is the aircon here, the same room, and that's the old carbon monoxide detector mounting plate. I think it's a bit too close to this edge. It should have been a bit further, but I will put that one should have been a bit further, I believe, but not too close to the aircon. So I could put the smoke detector here next to it, about 20 centimeters away. It's about 20 centimeters away from the wall and maybe 40 centimeters away from the other wall. And the AC, the aircon is gonna be not exactly in the way. I think that's pretty good. We usually don't use this aircon, so okay. The aircon is here, and if it's used it will blow air this way, and here it shouldn't be affected. But I could put it also on the other side, but I really want it to be next to the door, next to the entrance door. So let's try. The size of the drill bit should be a bit less than this thing that goes in the wall, so it is forced a bit, and I will put the drill bit through this bottle, but I have to cut it a bit more, so it has to go inside like this much. I'll just leave a little bit of it, and this will be forced in the wall, and then the screw goes in. Then the screw goes in all the way in, and that's all. I made this a little bit smaller. This is my modified drill. You have to set it to the hammer. You have to set it to the hammer. You have to set the drill to the hammer position. You have to set the drill to the hammer position. So it's actually this drill bit. This drill bit is not for the cement wall. Actually this drill bit is for metal, not for the wall, but I don't have those other ones. And now this thing, you close it and open it like that. It should go not too much in, and tighten. There shouldn't be any wiggle left and right. And now I install this thing. Just okay. So now this is a catch for dust. Let's see if it works. Let's see how this is going to be. This is the catch for dust, not too big, as I need to also install that. This looks pretty good. The drill bit should go inside the wall as much as this plastic piece. So it's gonna be all the way to the edge here, up to here. You could put some tape on it, but it's really not necessary. Take the plate of the sensor and use a pen to draw the holes on the ceiling. I think here it's pretty good. I tried to align it with the other one, so they are a little bit aligned. Draw the hole. Now I have two pen marks on the ceiling. Time to start drilling. I have to use a bigger drill bit and get back. One bigger. Okay, so I had to drill one more hole. These things are installed, but a little bit too long. Have to cut the screws also. Okay, I cut the screws a bit so they match what's in the wall, and they don't need much to grab on. Put it upside down. Yeah, try to don't put it upside down, put it the right way. Okay, one halfway. Not too tight so they don't break, but I got it. You see, the thing is installed. I have to cover that hole, but it's easy to use a bit of plaster. Better to secure the base than have only one screw. That was so tiring. Okay, now I just have to put now it's easy. I just put the detector in and that's all. It's installed. number 2. This is the new one, smoke detector. This also goes in. Like that. Okay. Okay. That hole, I will fix that hole later with some plaster, but they are installed now. This one, the carbon monoxide is probably not working properly, but the main thing is to have this smoke detector here. I will install the second one and show you the final result. Okay, this one is the bedroom. It's installed and there is that extra hole, but I found a trick. Second one is above the entrance door, about 40 centimeters away from the entrance. The second one is above the entrance door, about 40 centimeters away, and I drilled one hole, the one in the middle, and it won't go through, so I rotated the plate and made two holes, so that the hole that didn't work will be under the sensor, so like this it looks better. I'll put the plate and it's ready. Okay, this one is also installed now. Okay, this one is also installed now. It looks much better than the other one. The hole is in the middle. It's ready. And once in a while it's blinking red to show that it's working. It's above the entrance door. And it's ready. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom with the aircon. Maybe it's a bit too close to the aircon, but the air doesn't move. Maybe it should have been a bit more to the right, but that's how I got it. It's installed now. It's this one. This is the new one. That one is just for decoration, most probably, but it has the battery inside. It's a carbon monoxide detector and a smoke detector. I'm so tired. The reason why I put it here is because I wanted to keep it close to the door. In case there is any smoke coming through the door, it will arrive here first. Once I patch that hole with a bit of plaster, it's gonna be perfect. But actually I don't really have to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you install your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, or a mix of carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. Thanks for watching.